Namaskara Bangalore. Welcome to Own It First. The people who are watching our channel for the first time, we are property advisors who specialize in villas, luxury apartments, and community villa plots and help the people in finding out their dream projects and in smart investment. At present, we are in North Bangalore, Chaprakal Road, to explore a new villa property being developed by Koenig Homes. Koenig as a brand has completed 11 projects in Bangalore and this is their first project in North Bangalore. Let's go in and understand and learn much more about the project. This is the marketing office of Koenig North County. North County is not just a residential project, it's a lifestyle destination that epitomizes luxury, comfort, and community living. It's a modern luxury villa project which is located in tranquil environments of Devanalli, North Bangalore, with lush greenery and serene surroundings, offering a harmonious blend of modern luxury and natural beauty with a heavenly feeling for the residents. It's almost of 7 acres villa project with 99 plots starting from 30 to 40 square feet, 40 to 40 square feet and 30 to 50 square feet. Let's discuss about the amenities of the project. The project has a clubhouse of 8,000 square feet, a party hall, an amphitheater, yoga center, indoor and outdoor games. I wanted to say one thing, what not? The project has 20 plus modern luxury amenities that we all need in life. And when it comes to the connectivity, trust me guys, I have a huge list to cover, but I'm making it very short by keeping the viewers in mind. When it comes to the airport, Kempagoda International Airport is just 15 minutes away from the project. Devanalli's railway station is just 10 minutes away from the project. When it comes to the educational centers, Harrow International School, Stone Hill International School, Vidya Silpi University and Geetham University are within 25 minutes reach from the property. And when it comes to the IT parks, Prestige Club Residency Park is just 15 minutes away from the project. KIADB is just 25 minutes from the project. We have got the news, almost 200 companies have signed their contracts by moving to the North Bangalore. As I have said earlier, the project is located in Devanalli. This particular area has seen a significant improvement and 61.3% growth in last 3 years due to its promising lifestyle with physical and social infrastructure development. So basically, as I have said in locality and connectivity as well, almost 200 companies have signed their contracts moving to North Bangalore. Foxconn is investing almost 13,000 crores in North Bangalore. Upcoming Infosys campus is just 1 kilometer away from the project. Obviously, if you are in office in North Bangalore, you should have a space to live. So this is the right time to invest in North Bangalore. In order to know and learn much about the project, do contact us today. Thank you so much. Signing off.